Hello, welcome back. I'm Ron the Cook. Today we're going to continue down our path of melts. 30 days to melt, or grilled cheeses, whatever you want to call them. Argue in the comments. Today we're going to make a pizza melt. It's going to be super cheesy, ooey, gooey, and delicious. This is a perfect snack for when you're craving pizza, but you don't have the time to make pizza from scratch, or if you have some hungry little ones that you need to feed in a fly. Also, makes a great snack to go on the road. Alright, let's start with the equipment. Really all you're going to need for equipment-wise is you're going to need a knife, a panini press. If you don't have a panini press, your griddle or just a pan on the stove will do just fine. And a spatula. That's pretty much it. Ingredients, very simple. Some mozzarella, some homemade pizza sauce, or tomato sauce, which you can see right there, or link in the description. Some pepperoni, some pizza seasoning that we will also be making today, and some naan. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to start by preheating our panini press. I'm using my Breville Sear and Press. If you want to get one, there's a link in the description. We have it set to medium. So we have some store-bought naan. Take a little bit of our pizza sauce, not too little. Spread evenly. Don't go all the way to the edges. If you do, it's going to seep out and ruin your panini. Next up, our mozzarella. This is buffalo mozzarella that I bought at Whole Foods. It's a low moisture mozzarella, so it's not going to bleed out a lot of water when you're grilling it, and it's very melty. Full layer all the way across. Mozzarella. Do a little bit of overlapping, so make it ooey and gooey. We're going to keep a little space right down the center so we can fold it over. There you go, 6 nice big pieces. Next up, pizza seasoning. This is a mixture of equal parts granulated garlic, granulated onion, oregano, and dry basil. Now that we have our seasoning down, we're going to add our pepperoni. We want a thick layer all the way across. Make sure you get that really like pepperoni flavor. We want to take this back to our childhood, where you taste just cheese, pepperoni, and pizza sauce. Next, we're going to fold. Hold down one side, it's a little sticky. Oh, there we go, perfect. Look at that. That's going to be amazing. Next up, nonstick spray. Give it a light coat on top and bottom just so it doesn't stick, and then we put our sandwich down, we're golden. Give it a quick press, then let it go for 3-4 minutes, and we have our pizza melt, or panini, whatever you want to call it. Maybe a grilled cheese. And we're done. Look how beautiful that is. Let's give it a cut. 3s. Oh yeah, it's so hot. Oh yeah. Look at that. Taste test. That is a cheesy pizza. I hope you liked the video. If you make this at home, comment down below and let me know how it came out. Till next time. So good.